President Obama released a short statement a day after George Zimmerman's murder trial verdict.
We, the jury, find George Zimmerman not guilty.
The president said, as he has before, that 17-year-old Trayvon Martin's death was a tragedy. Martin was fatally shot by George Zimmerman in February of last year. The statement read in part, "We should ask ourselves as individuals and as a society how we can prevent future tragedies like this. As citizens, that's a job for all of us. That's the way we honor Trayvon Martin." And though Martin's family and defense team were saddened and disappointed by the verdict, President Obama said the jury has spoken. His statement in March of 2012 was much more personal.
When I think about this boy, I think about my own kids. You know, if I had a son, he'd look like Trayvon.
Still, the case might not yet be closed. Sunday, the Justice Department announced it would look into filing criminal civil rights charges, which means the FBI, along with other agencies, will keep looking at evidence. That after petitions from various groups, including the NAACP, called for the opening of a civil rights case against Zimmerman. But CNN points to an April 2012 statement by Attorney General Eric Holder, which suggests charging Zimmerman with a federal hate crime would be extremely difficult.
You have to prove the highest standard in the law. Something that was reckless, that was negligent, does not meet that standard. We have to show that there was specific intent.
And the Wall Street Journal's Paul Gigot had other concerns. He told ABC's George Stephanopoulos there's a public perception problem with the Justice Department's announcement.
I think it would be seen by a lot of the country as a case of double jeopardy. The state threw everything they had at George Zimmerman for a year and a half.
But Sunday on CNN, the NAACP's president told Candy Crowley he still believes race was a factor in Trayvon Martin's death. Demonstrators across America protested Zimmerman's acquittal Sunday. Although most of the rallies were peaceful, acts of vandalism were reported in Oakland, California. Thanks for watching Newsy. I'm Christina Hartman.